Ubuntu. Install Worker. A step-by-step guide for setting up the environment for io.net on Ubuntu-based machines. Before starting one, verify your Ubuntu version. For Linux users, ensure that your system is running Ubuntu 20.04 or later. You can check your Ubuntu version by executing the following command in the terminal. 2. CPU requirement for Linux. We currently only support AMD processors. You can find all supported processor and video card models found here. To check your processor type, use the following command in the terminal. Go to cloud.io.net. If you have not yet created an account, creating an account on io.net is currently available only through X, Twitter, Apple ID, or Google. Simply click on the Sign Up button and select either X, Apple ID, WorldCoin, or Google to proceed with account creation. 1. From IO Elements. Navigate to IO Worker. IO Elements serves as your new control panel for navigating the service efficiently. Click on IO Worker to delve deeper into its functionalities and features. 2. Use Connect New Worker button to open the wizard. If workers have not yet been added, you can use the central button. If the screen is full of information, find the same button in the upper right corner. 3. Name your device. Click the pencil icon to open the pop-up for editing the device name. Please add a unique name for your device. An ideal format would be something like this: My Test Device. Select Ubuntu operating system. Choose the operating system of your device from macOS, Windows, or Ubuntu. 5. Select Device. Type: You should choose the device type based on your task. A video card is better suited for AI tasks, while a processor is more suitable for graphic rendering. GPU. This is the part of your computer or laptop that handles graphics. The video card. It's usually from NVIDIA or Radeon. You can find a full list of. You can also verify whether your GPU or CPU is included in the list of devices supported by our service on the wizard page. If you choose GPU Worker, and your device doesn't have GPU, the setup will fail. 6. Prerequisites for Ubuntu. One-time setup for hardware. Before proceeding, ensure you have the necessary tools installed on your Ubuntu system. Skip if Docker and NVIDIA driver are already installed and configured. If not, to install io.net setup, follow these steps. Open the Ubuntu terminal through the Start menu. Terminal. Install the desktop io.net setup script using the installation command in the terminal. Grant permissions to the new io.net setup script. With this command, for systems equipped with GPUs, wait for the system to restart. Once it has restarted, run the setup again using the command provided earlier. Download and launch. IO binary. IO binary is a compiled executable file used to perform computational tasks and manage system operations. It is crucial for the smooth operation of the platform as it handles essential functions directly related to the performance and reliability of the computational resources. In this step, follow. Copy generated the IO binary address provided in the wizard and passed it into terminal to run further. 8. Authorize your new device. The IO binary may prompt you to authorize your new device. Remember, you have 3 minutes to complete the authorization of the device. If you miss it, you will need to rerun the code again. Paste it into your browser and confirm the action. After confirmation, the system will prompt you to log in. Copy the code from the terminal. Enter this code on the page. HTTPS. Asheri Orthi Air Dir IO. Solutions. Activate to authorize the device. After it, the system will prompt you to log in, onboarding multiple devices by bypassing interactive authentication. To onboard a new device, use the following command with the re-token flag. 9. Removing previously installed Docker containers. I/O binary will ask you questions related to previously installed Docker containers. To continue the installation of I/O Worker, you must agree to remove all old containers and proceed by typing yes. 10. Return to the worker creation page and write down the worker ID and name. Return to the browser with the worker creation page open. Copy the worker ID from the URL, which is the last value, e.g., https://worker.io.net, our worker, botch devices, DB4E9217, 61D8, 4869, BC49, YINA05B9E, B51D85. Copy the worker name from the title of the worker page. Then enter this worker name and worker ID in turn into the terminal when prompted by the binary installer. After entering the name and device ID in, I/O binary will install all additional containers and images for your Docker. The process may take some time to complete as it installs additional packages for Docker. Please allow the installation process to finish. 11. Waiting for worker connection to complete. Afterward, return to the browser to complete the installation. You may need to wait for up to 10 minutes while the device checks and connects to the I/O ecosystem. If it doesn't connect, reach out to our support ticket by logging into your I/O. Please disable power saving mode when running your devices on IONet. Power saving mode can impair device performance, potentially leading to failure in POW or being classified as not providing adequate computing power. Congratulations on successfully setting up your first worker.